this video we are going to cover various ETL tools provided by different vendors that is available in the market. While watching this, if you have any query regarding the free video, then you can speak your mind under the QA section. So before we list out all the ETL tools, let us discuss what is the work of ETL tool. So basically what happens is we extract data from different sources, and those sources may come in different formats like file format, SQL database, PostgreSQL, Oracle database, and then we validate the data according to the requirement and the data is passed to the target data warehouse. So this process is not performed manually. Basically we perform this through the help of any ETL tool. In my recording sessions I will be performing Informatica. I will be working with the ETL tool as Power Center Informatica. But before we go through any specific ETL tool, let us just discuss what all ETL tools are provided by different vendors and in what all categories do they fall. So first of all, ETL tools come in three categories: open source, commercial, hybrid. The open source tools are those tools which are particularly free ones. In this, we get Talend, Pentaho. And if I talk about the commercial tools, they are the paid ones. You need to pay a little bit to get these tools. Here, I'm getting Informatica, Oracle Warehouse Builder, Infosphere in this list. Now, if I talk about hybrid, basically hybrid are those things which come in a portion of little bit free as well as paid ones. So a portion of Talend is free, but if you go for enterprise edition of Talend, you need to pay for it. So as it is not completely free, so that's why it is called as hybrid. As we can see, there are list of ETL tools, but before we select a particular ETL tool for the integration, we must know what all are the requirements of an ETL tool, which could be covered within a single platform or single integration tool. So if I talk about the features, the first feature that I have covered is connections. See, the most important feature of an ETL tool is the connection. It has to be able to connect with different sources, and those sources may come in different formats. It may come in a flat file, it may come in an Oracle database, a server, or Google Sheets. So if it can't be connected to the data source or the target system, then it doesn't matter what the processing ability is, or it just can't be used, right? Now, if I come to the next feature, so the second most important feature is the richness of the transformation to do day-to-day tasks such as data conversion. If you want to convert the data, if you want to perform expression transformations, if you want to perform joins, if you want to split the data of a single table into two tables, if you want to filter the data, if you want to rank the data. So all of these ETL tools can do some of these tasks, but some are much better than others. Now if I come to the third feature. So the third important feature is to create workflows that arrange and connect these tasks and transformation that are being performed. This includes constraints, loops, branching, etc. Let me give you an example. Like let us assume that I'll say if task A is completed successfully and task B is completed successfully, then only perform task C. Otherwise, you can perform task D. So these all conditions may come in loops that will be created under workflows. Now if I talk about execution part. See, when ETL package runs, it is very important to be able to log. What we need to log is that how it is executed, how much time it is taking, when it started or when it ended, all these kind of things. And if it is running successfully, if it failed, then what is the error log? So these kind of things may come in execution. That is covered in execution part. Now comes the performance. See, performance is a very important term that should be covered in an ETL tool. Like if I give you an example, like let us assume that I covered a project in ETL, and this project is processing only 1 million rows, but I wanted it to cover 10 million rows in single processing moment. And it also depends that I want this data to get processed in 1 hour, not 10 hours. So these all things are covered in the performance. Okay. So if I give you an example of performance like bulk loading or caching, partitioning can be performed in performance, and the high availability is there. Now comes to the management. See, the last important feature is management, or we can say administration. For example, source code control and repository managing the nodes that is performed in grid and etc. So keeping all these requirements in mind, I have listed out the ETL tools which covers all these features. So if I search for them, let me show you. See, if I search for top ETL tools, so the ETL tools I'm getting is Write Data, Informatica Data Validation, Query Search, Qualidai, Talent. So at the second position, I'm getting Informatica. So as you can see, Informatica is a top ETL testing tool. And if I scroll a bit down, which is the best ETL tool, now I'm getting Informatica PowerCenter at the first position. So with this, we can know that Informatica is high in demand and we can get a hub of jobs through this platform. So hope you have got it and thank you for joining.